The world's very first car accident happened in 1891, but here's the shocker, it involved just one vehicle and a tree. Imagine a time when roads were barely more than dirt paths, and cars were a novel wonder. James Lambert was testing out his new gasoline-powered buggy in Ohio when he lost control and collided with a tree root, sending his passenger flying. This seemingly minor mishap was a pivotal moment, ushering in the reality of automotive risk. It was an era when the concept of traffic laws was non-existent, and airbags and seatbelts were still decades away. Surprisingly, no one was seriously injured, but this incident marked the dawn of automotive safety concerns that still evolve today. The accident set the stage for a century of innovation aimed at safeguarding drivers and passengers, transforming the car from a luxury for the few into a common necessity with ongoing risks and rewards.